Today's date, 4/17/2019. We're in earnings season. TEAM missed earnings. It was a massive triple top reversal on the daily chart. The numbers did not come in as expected, and they didn't. They beat by 3 cents and they beat on the revenues, but they're guiding Q4 EPS below consensus. Therefore, there is a problem with an overbought stock in the earnings season. And you guys better listen. Um, this is the daily chart. The gap down is in play. Uh, we traded it and whatnot. They do have the options on it as well. I'm going to show a weekly chart, which was a massive 1, 2, 3, 4 week top. That 10-week moving average at 109. It's going to go below it. The support levels below this market right here. It'll be that trend line in this weekly chart. 20-week moving average, 99. Right here. We had closed at 112. We put a bid in below this market and after hours at 101, $101. And that brings us right back over here to the 20-week moving average, which is down here. So we're going to continue to trade more options on TEAM. And we are trading the 110 option right here. We're trading the below the market, the 106 put options. These are weekly expiration, April 26th, weekly. And that is what they are. And we're happy to bring to you once again, it's all about the earnings season. And they will get punished. And this stock got punished. And it did. So we know what the lower level is going to be on the daily chart. It's going to be right here, and it's going to break below it. Then we're going to get over here to where that gap down is right here. That orange line just so happens to be a 100-day simple moving average at 98.38 pennies. Not only that, it's going to go into a daily sell signal. How to take advantage of the earnings season. How to spot the failures. How to put that trade on. And most importantly, how to bank a profit. It was only down $1.78. And we're in earnings season, people. And the ones that don't make it are going to get crushed. And we're going to be going in and we're going to trade the options. We're going to trade the put side of the market over and over again. And at some point, we'll buy the call side of the market when it finds stability at a lower support level. Let it be known.